So these here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. This is about 6 ounces of pork sausage. This is in a maple flavor. You don't have to use that. You can either substitute it with chicken sausage or any kind of protein you want, or just leave it out altogether. I got a little bit of cilantro because I just really like putting cilantro on everything. Some feta cheese that was discounted at Target a while back for 86 cents. So I bought all of them. Oh, there you go. I have a bell pepper that I'm just gonna chop up, some mushrooms, some grape tomatoes, my egg whites. These are 100% egg whites by Egg Beaters, and of course some spinach. So first things first, I am just going to cook up the remainder of the 6 ounces of maple sausage over here on the stove. So I'll be back. So my potato and onion mixture is all done. So I'm gonna get ready to start assembling my egg white muffins. So I have all my ingredients here. I just went ahead and chopped up my green bell pepper, and I have my mushrooms already opened up. And a tip, I don't like salt, so anything that's canned that, you know, is something like this, it does have salt in it. I'll show you. Focus. There you go. So you see it has 330 grams of salt, 390 grams of salt, which is really, since it's 2 servings in here, that's 800 milligrams of salt. So I just always rinse these out, add water, shake them up, rinse them. I do that about 2 to 3 times, and that would eliminate, I think, about 70% of the salt we learned. So I always do that. So that's a quick tip for you. And so I just have my muffin pan here, and I'm just gonna get my misto sprayer and spray it down so that my egg whites don't stick. So this here is my misto spray. I'm sure if you've been around for a while, you see me use this. I do not use Pam, since Pam has trans fat in it. This sprayer allows me to control what type of oil I put in here. So inside of here is just some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil that I got from Trader Joe's. And the way that this works is you pump air into it like this, and then you just use it like you would use Pam's, but instead of it having all those chemicals in it, it's pure olive oil. So I just want to make sure that coated all on the sides as well. So now that my pan is thoroughly coated, I'm just going to put a little bit of all the ingredients in the bottom of each one, starting with the bell peppers. And I like things spicy, so I'm going to use a little bit of crushed red pepper as well. So as you saw, it took about 4 tablespoons to fill these up. So I'm just going to try to make sure everything is in the cup now. And then I had my oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to check on them. If they're still jiggly in the middle, then I'm going to leave them in there a little bit longer. Trying to make sure this spinach is in there. So this is what they're looking like in the oven. As you see, they've puffed up a little bit, and I'm going to take them out now. So this is what it's come out, and Jesus. This is how it looks once it's come out. They look delicious. So I'm going to let them set for a little bit to let them cool down, and then I am going to take them out of the muffin tin, and I'll show you what they look like. So I am just going to try to take one out. I went around the edges on all of them. So just going to try to take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, not too shabby. You gotta see that? Oh, you can't even see it. There we go. So not too shabby. So I'm just going to take the rest of them out and I'll come back then. So this is what they look like, and I kind of sneak taste it, but I'll taste it on camera. I'm just going to taste one on camera, and some of them held up really well. Like, you can see, it has that really muffin shape, and it's still hot. So, find one you can see. Just taste a little piece of it. So this is what it looks like, and I'll try to make it so you can see my face. So I hope you guys can see me, so tasting it.
So just to open up the funding channel communication, so the whole idea within the next 60 days.
Oh, this is good.
$1 million round from the Angels.
This is real good. I'm probably like way too close to the camera, but this is really, really, really good, and I think I am going to keep this in my arsenal. So I will be coming back to do some other cooking videos, primarily with that spaghetti squash and those tomatoes that you see there. But this right here, oh yes, this is good. And so I figure this will probably be maybe about 60 calories per one. The egg whites are about 25. The cheese is probably going to be, no, the egg whites are about 40. The cheese on it is probably like 10. The other veggies are probably like another 10. So that's 50, 60. And then the sausage maybe is about 20. So maybe 80 calories per little egg muffin. But that's good. And it doesn't have many carbs, if any at all, since there's no bread or anything. But Yes, I am loving this. So I'll be back with more recipes. Hopefully you guys liked it. Be blessed. In case you're wondering how I'm storing them, I'm just putting them inside of this Ziploc bag. I'm going to let them cool down, and then I'm going to zip it up and just put it in the refrigerator. I heard it lasts about 5 to 6 days in the refrigerator, so I'm just going to have about 2 a day, and that should last me for the week. Alright.